Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today in this tutorial, it's not makeup, okay? Actually it's gonna be a nail video. So I know that we're all currently stuck in the house. We can't go anywhere. We can't get our nails done. We can't get our hair done. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how I got these crusty, dusty nails to this. First, we're going to prep our nails. I'm going to be using the Kiss Acrylic French tip. These are my favorite, you guys. This is my favorite press-on nails. So, I used to wear these for almost 2 years straight. People would always ask me, where'd you get your nails done? Yada, yada, yada. I'm like, girl, they're press-ons. Everybody's like, what? Yeah, these are press-ons. They are $6.97, I believe, at Walmart. You get them from your beauty supply store, Target, and make sure you get the one that says Salon Acrylic, just because it has a thick layer underneath the nail, just so that it can last longer. So make sure you pick these up, okay? Salon Acrylic French tip. They do have a short, medium, and long length. Being that my nails are kind of like medium length, I got the medium size. Sometimes I do the short ones. So let's just get started. Apply the nails on my left hand. Open up your press-on nail packet. You have a nail file and a little, I guess you call it like a little stick maybe. So what I'm gonna do is just take this and press my cuticles down. Now I'm no nail tech, okay, but this just works for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. Next, I'm gonna take my cuticle cutter and just cut my cuticles. And honestly, they probably don't even need cutting, but honey, these are quarantine nails, okay? So we gotta look like we got them done. Next, I picked up a nail file from the beauty supply store, which I'm going to be using. So I remember people used to always like make fun of me, like, girl, why you wear press-on nails and yada yada yada. And honestly, you guys, I don't like to spend money. That's just the truth. I do not like to spend money. Once I got older and I realized how much it really costs to get your nails done, I'm like, whoa, whoa. And these work just fine with me, so $12 every 2 weeks, can't beat that. I mean, I have some friends that pay like hundreds of dollars to get their nails done. I'm like, girl, couldn't be me, sis. Could not be me. So once our nails are all filed out, I believe this side is a buffer because this side seems a little more rough. So I'm gonna take this side and just kind of buff it out. So when applying my press-on nails, when I do mine, I like to do finger by finger. I know some people like to lay them all out, but I just personally like to do finger by finger. So I'm going to, I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm going to pick up this one and kind of measure it to my nail. Ooh. And kind of see, is this like a perfect fit, which it is. So it also comes with some nail glue. Being that I wear these press-ons all the time, I had some extra. So we're just gonna apply. I like to do, kind of like to start at the bottom. All right, and then I'm going to bring it all the way down and press. All right, and do the same thing for the rest of the nails. So I think I'm gonna just apply some glue kind of all over the nail. And I kind of do OD. So I do like to apply a lot of glue. Don't come for me. And we're just gonna press this down. Okay, this nail And luckily I never have to file my nails on the side because they always fit perfectly. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Now it's time for the thumb. This might be perfect. Let's try this one. Alright, so here are my nails so far. So what I like to do is I like to kind of file the sides. Because I don't like them too wide or too like thick looking, I guess. So now I'm just filing the sides. Alright, so look at this side and look at this side, you guys. I feel like these nails are so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my right hand and I'll be right back to show you guys. So I don't have any oil to put on my cuticles, so I'm just gonna use this body oil. Don't judge me. Ooh, okay. And we're just gonna put some on our cuticles. You know how they do at the nail salon. All right, and there we have it, our lovely quarantine nails on a budget. All right. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.